friends, today I am going to tell you how you can set app permission in Samsung Galaxy phone. So watch this video till the end. So in your phone you need to go to settings, scroll down and click on apps. You can select any app, like this is the app which I am selecting. You can see this permission button, no permission allowed, so you can change the permission accordingly. You can click on all permissions. You can change the permission from here. You can see this is the first example. This app does not require any permission. Let's go to Amazon, click on permission. You can see camera permission, allow, don't allow. You can change it from here. So you can set all the permission from the app option. Microphone permission you can check from here.
I hope now you will be able to do it, friends. In case you find this video helpful, just hit on the like button and subscribe my channel. Bye bye friends, take care.